from a cognitive neuroscientific perspective, the brain is the sort of split into dual cognition, so two operating systems that are quite distinct from each other. So often we just think of the brain as this one operating system, but typically there's actually two, one more associated with our kind of animalistic brain that is hardwired to our motor cortex and our movement, and hardwired to our senses, and hardwired to all the blueprints that we sort of store in the basal ganglia at the top of our spine. And it's much more of our being brain. When we're in it, we're just being and doing. Then we have the kind of what scientists might call the explicit system or the cold system, or and what I call the thinking brain, which is the front part of our brain. We have this prefrontal cortex, and specifically the medial lateral prefrontal cortex is there to think. Like a popcorn machine is designed to make popcorn, that part of our brain is designed to think, and it will continuously think, whether we like it or not. And that thinking goes and goes and goes and goes and goes and goes. And more often in our waking consciousness day to day, we run our day through that mode. The key characteristics there of that operating system is to be logical, to have reflexive thinking, to be able to sort of think about ourselves. It's filled with sort of conscious thinking. However, it's also extremely slow and very linear in its logical, sequential type of thinking. So there's this sort of great flexibility of it, but extremely slow when it comes to processing. Well, then our being brain is the opposite. It's not very flexible. It kind of operates on pre-programmed training that we've installed there, but it's exceptionally fast. Like 1,000,000 times faster than the thinking brain. Ordinarily, we go through life with that thinking brain dominating our experience. But in flow, although they always work together, there's never just one and the other one's not there. They're always kind of working in tandem. But obviously, if you think of it as the thinking brain is normally captaining the ship, telling the being brain what to do. In flow, it's sort of a little bit of the reverse. We're in that being brain, and we might use the faculties of that thinking brain as and when we need it. But the being brain is captaining the ship.